Hi, it's me from the future here, having already unboxed it. I messed up. The audio is horrible. Nobody wants to hear that. But I did mess it up because I couldn't like check everything because everything was on the desk and I was being very clean, and then I didn't touch anything else, and I was being very clean because it was packaged from outside world. So I figured there's no way to fix this. That should be funny, right? But I wanted to post this video because but the unboxing was so fun and I had such a great time, and I didn't want to just throw this away because I done goofed it all up. But you know what? This is funnier at the end of the day, so enjoy. Okay, enjoy it and stay safe, stay healthy. Forgot to mention that. Today I'm unboxing this that St. Jude Play Life sent. So if things had been normal right now, which obviously they're not, I would have been flying to Memphis on Wednesday for the first time to be part of the St. Jude Play Life Summit, because I was invited this year for the first time and I was so excited, and then it needed to be canceled. Completely understandable. But they decided to like send things, and that's really cool. And they're also doing streams on Thursday and Friday, and I don't really know the dates off the top of my head. Everything's been crazy, but they'll be on the screen. Okay, go watch that. And we're gonna unbox it, so I'm really excited. Yay! Ta-da! That's what it looked like. There's a shirt right there, and then there's this beautiful patient art by Colton, as you can see. Oh, that's I'm gonna put that in the back. So my 2020 goal is actually 5,000. I'm not gonna write it right now. There's so much stuff in here. Goodness gracious. Do you see the amount of things that are in this box? Let me show you. It is hefty. It is packed. Okay, bring this artwork to life. Wait, what? It says bring this artwork to life. Scan the QR code with your camera or go to experience.stjude.org. Whoa, did they do like an AR app? That's really cute. I have that. There's so many drawings and they're so pretty. Oh, this is like stuff from the gift shop. Oh, that's really cool. It's a microfiber cloth. It even has a little tag from the gift shop. Oh. Are these temporary tattoos? These are peel and stick tattoos. Okay, great for cherry season. And then there's a bunch back here that say I love St. Jude. Okay, we're definitely having that as a sentence, that's for sure. Is this a book? This is going with my art books. And it's I've seen from the other streamers that have gone to Play Live and they make videos and stuff, because I'm like, when it's Play Live season, I like stalk the heck out of the summit, which is why I was really excited to go this year, because I'm like always watching from home, but you know, it didn't work out, and that's fine, that's the situation. But I always see this all the time when they go to the summit, and I was so excited to see it, but this is a great alternative. I'm going to read through this on the stream, and I'm really excited. We're going to read through every single page. And this is beautiful. I cannot wait to add it to my art books. It's going to look so good. And we got some balloons! Some St. Jude balloons! That's awesome! Because balloons are typically something that I do in my charity streams, and I'm already stocked up. But I guess they were like, maybe you're not stocked up, and you can't really stock up right now, but I'm going to use these, but I was already stocked up. I want to make it known. Oh, God. Alright, this one they can take that one back. They can have that one. I don't want it. How did I not notice? I'm obviously not going to put it on right now, for obvious reasons, but once this is disinfected, oh no. Oh no, this is... I can tell you, I expected a lot of things. This was not one of them. Oh God, this is... Oh no. Cursed image. Oh God, I love that though. Don't get me wrong, I love that so much. And then these again, you can have them. Take them back. I don't want them. I have so many already. And this is funny because I literally bought these last year at Party City for the St. Jude streams last year. They're like smaller, cheaper ones, but the same exact thing. These little finger dinos. And then I was like, I actually love these! Okay, hold on. I know that some people like have these as incentives because they can't handle sour, but like this is not an incentive. This is like a treat. This is like, pay me not to eat them because I want to eat them. I love these so much. Oh my god. I'm actually really excited to eat these. I want one right now. Oh my god. I love them. And then we have like Play-Doh, which is really cool because I always steal my little brother's Play-Doh. Whenever he has these big things, and I'm just like, oh, can you give me a little piece? And then I just because it's fun. Oh no. This is so thoughtful. I love this so much. This is not what I thought was going to be in here. And this is big googly eyes. First of all, I want to put them on my chair, and I want to put them on my mic. See, they're like, oh, these are bad incentives. Me, I'm excited about the warheads, and I want to put googly eyes on everything. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is a note card. Oh, that's so cute. And there's 10 of them. Oh, I love that. Oh, I have so many note cards. And I like to collect them because then I can like pick the perfect one for whenever I want to send something. So this is really nice. I like it a lot. I love it. And then this again, you can take it back. If any St. Jude Playline person is watching this, you can take this one back. I think somebody dropped it into my box, and I don't think it was meant for me. You can have it back. I know you didn't put this in here on purpose, and I know you don't expect me to eat carrot baby food as an incentive. Am I right? You don't expect me to eat this. Take it back, please. I don't want it. This. What the heck is this? Oh, my enamel pin collection is right there. That purple thing. I'll put a picture. And I can't wait to add this. I'm trying to figure out. Oh, a marker. Oh, that's great, because I have my dry erase board that I was going to use, but all my markers are dead, so... Great, thank you. How did they know what I wanted? Who has a camera in here? Okay, this is my information. What is this? Aww, this is a VR experience. Did they make it so we can have a little VR experience? That is really nice. Oh, that's really nice. Oh. Why is there more baby food? And why did they put apple, blueberry, and spinach together? The apple and blueberry is perfect on its own. Why did you have to put spinach in there? Again, somebody was taking care of their baby and they dropped this into my box. Don't worry, I know the stuff can be expensive. I'll send it back. Like this? Oh, blindfold. That's funny. I have a blindfold, but it's a free one from JetBlue, so I can upgrade that. Also, my nose is itchy, but I can't itch it. Oh no. Oh no, face crayons. Oh no. Oh gosh. Oh, I love how thoughtful everything is. I love all of this. And more Play-Doh. Oh god, what is that I see down there? What is that? What is this? Okay, hold on. Oh, this actually sounds great. I'll eat it now. Pear, peach, and strawberry. This right here is my jam. I'll have that. It's basically jam, so it is the jam. I'm good with that. Okay, this says St. Jude will always be there for kids with cancer. You allow that to happen. You allow that to happen by not only obviously bringing a lot of attention to St. Jude Playline and just St. Jude in general, but also being the amazing people that contribute to so many campaigns. It doesn't have to be mine, but yeah, I'm gonna read and try to figure out what this is, and then I will report back. I'm confused about what it is. I can't figure it out. But everything is awesome and so considerate, and I just I love raising money during St. Jude Play Live season because the whole bit is so nice and so thoughtful and so respectful of streamers, and like you understand how silly and goofy we are and the things that we like to do to raise money. I'm really, sad, of course, that I couldn't actually go to the summit this year, even though it was going to be my first time. I was so excited. But this is like, it's just so thoughtful, and I can't even imagine how difficult it is to plan a whole event with like hundreds of people and then have to like completely turn everything around. And I respect you guys so much, and I respect St. Jude so much, and I'm so excited to raise money this year, and I'm so excited to watch the streams at the end of this week and to read more about all of this. And also, please do email me about where I can send back this baby food, because I know that was a mistake. I know you do not expect me to eat apple, blueberry, spinach. That's actually a crime. I don't think babies should eat that. That sounds terrible. That sounds like a bad time. So, but yeah, thank you so much for watching, and thank you, St. Jude, for being amazing. And if you don't know, please join our St. Jude charity streams. They'll be going on from April 24th, I want to say. If not, there will be a big correction on the screen right now. If not, a big check mark. Yay, ding, ding, ding. But yeah, please join us from April 24th to around May 20th, and then kind of weekends after that. But other than that, it's going to be like as much as possible. I go crazy during the season. Our goal is 5,000, but obviously our goal is just as much as we possibly can. I really hope that you'll join us. The most we've ever raised was last year's 3,200, and we've been doubling every year. Our goal last year was 2,500, and then we got to 3,000. So hitting 5,000 is twice as much as any other goal we've beat before. So, if not more. So it's gonna be a lot, and I know we can do it, and I'm gonna bring it my all, and I hope that if you have any dollars you can contribute, or even your time on the stream, it all helps. So thank you so much, and thank you to the organizers who managed all of this. I am so sorry that everything had to be changed, because like obviously it had to be done, but I just want to say personally, as somebody that would have been there and enjoying all the stuff we worked so hard for, that I am sorry that like everything had to change, because I know that must suck. But you guys are doing a great job so far, and I'm really excited to see what else is planned. So thank you so much, and I will see you during the St. Jude Play Live season. Alright, bye. I'm gonna go sanitize everything ever. Okay, bye.